scene graphic. Beach scene graphic. Beach scene graphic.
And what did it say, sorry?
Beach scene graphic.
People who are creating image descriptions right now are sharing bland descriptions that don't give me a sense of what's there or what could be.
Because I want to be able to, quote unquote, see the pictures too.
Sometimes it'll tell you there's a person there, and sometimes it'll tell you that there's a dinosaur there when it's a cat and a child. It's incredibly frustrating and discouraging.
It makes me feel separated. It makes me feel othered.
It's incredibly unfair.
When you're not even thought of, it hits that much deeper. It just makes you feel forgotten. And it's worse to be forgotten than it is to be hated.
And Atlas, if you can go left with that. You see the headphones on the edge of the couch there?
We have songwriters in Tennessee that others don't, and they can describe those pictures like nobody else. And they can use their gifts and talents to make those pictures come alive, to reach somebody's heart, and can also incentivize them to go, that's a memory I'd like to go and make.
How can I help it? You know what I mean? All I can do is write songs and sing them, you know?
Well, but you put words together.
Yeah.
And so, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. If there were a way to hear enough words that we can invoke some emotion and some description to these photos.
Mm-hmm.
If you can write a good image description, then that screen reader, when it goes over that image, it's going to say something magical.
Go from like one-dimensional to three-dimensional in some respects, right?
That's exactly right.
Like I know you and I have talked about the fact that you have like a sight memory.
Yes, so I had vision up to the age of 10.
Right.
So I have, that I can draw on.
So you pulling colors and stuff like that into it, like is that going to be frustrating for some people?
And then say something about that bottle of 7-Up in the corner.
Oh, I didn't even see a bottle of 7-Up in the corner.
That's much more visual.
Yeah.
And quite frankly, it didn't do a lot for me.
Interesting.
This is great for us because I mean you haven't had sight before.
No.
And so it even deepens our thought process.
When we're using other senses to describe, it's not just technical, it's not just visual. When we're using other senses like touch, smell, taste, it helps to communicate more of what the feeling would be of being there.
Warmth of the light, cool of the shadow. Postcard or paint, it's almost hard to know where the Smoky Mountain road.
Oh, the King sang here, The Man in Black.
Ooh.
Because Johnny was part of the $1 Million.
Yeah. King sang here, a man in black. Sun Studios where you're at. Ooh.
It's cool, bro.
The roar of the river over the rocks, the scent of pine and hemlock. I want to feel the rush of being small, standing next to, this waterfall.
Say that one more time. Sweet home Alabama, and meets up with Mama Tried. I love it. You'll hear that.
Right there between the sidewalks, 1 million people walking by.
Honky Tonk's got a stage with the next big thing. You'll hear Sweet Home Alabama fighting with Mama Tried, spilling out between the sidewalks, a million people walking by. But it's more than just a street, more than a busy two-lane road. It's more than just a place the shiny new boot tourists go. It's where the kid from Minnesota, with a big old dream to chase, is working on his best new Nashville twang on a street we call Broadway.
Nice. I've walked down Broadway, and it takes me right there. I feel like, yes, I know this place. I've experienced it.
Yeah, you know, it's like it makes it 3D. It just kind of characterizes the ambiance and vibe of the place.
It's poetry.
It's all these feelings and senses. It's that two-lane road, the million people. Everything that you're sharing in word creates a description that makes me want to be there. And I'm sure for so many other people who are blind or partially sighted, these words evoke something that you can immediately see in that picture, right? And you can have those feelings through your sight, but we can't. And so your words are giving us that same feeling that you have. So we're going down that road together, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And I'm excited to walk into one of those bars and have the Holy Spirit and some whiskey.